आंखों की मस्ती थी मस्ताने हजारों
ठाकुर तो गए हो। वो बहुत फनी लगता था मुझे।
Awkward silence.
No, it's the way you said too hot.
That's how you know.
Like, oh my
Abbas
God.
is single.
Yeah.
Abbas has been single.
ऑडिटर का तुमने तो नहीं लिया हाँ क्या करते हो तुम लोग तुम डफर लोग तुम
वही ना.
मेरे करण अर्जुन आ गए. Yes, exactly right. The episode that you've all been asking for time and again, that one that you couldn't sleep without, has finally arrived. The big recasting of Karan Arjun, the movie, by the Filmy Kulala gang, the Pop Conversationists.
Wow, dude.
I'm Antrish Thakkar, joined by
हावर्ड का SOP
Yes.
लिखा है भाई ने.
I'm
How many requests
yours
did you-
truly, Antriksh Bhai,
Best regards.
joined by Abbas Ali
Bhai.
Khan and Snehal Kulkarni.
That's a nice name actually. Snehal Kulkarni.
That actually works, right? Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. But in actuality, everyone is a Singh. Because I just realized,
Yeah.
while
Because
we were
it's the same
preparing for the
family.
episode, that they all have the same surname. The entire movie, everyone's Raki's name is Durga Singh.
Yeah.
This one's name is Thakur
Durjan Singh.
Durjan
Durjan
Singh.
Singh.
All
Durjan
both the
nahi,
nephews are Singhs. Asif Sheikh's
Shamsher
character
Singh.
is also Singh. It's all
Yeah.
Singhs. A lot of
So are
Singhs.
they also Karan Singh and Arjun Singh?
Singh.
Yeah, they
Singham.
are. They're exactly right. Singh क्या?
Oh, मैं तो ऐसे सिंगम करने लगा था.
Yeah, Singh Saab the Great.
और
ये picture है ना?
साहब देख.
Yeah.
Oh fuck dude.
Correct.
I
Sunny
think जब रिलीज हुई थी उसके बाद अब नाम सुन रहा हूँ मैं सिंह साहब
Really?
के.
मुझे
That's
याद
crazy.
भी नहीं. अक्षय कुमार था इसमें.
नहीं सनी देओल था शायद इसमें.
So coming back to Karan Arjun, did either of you watch it in the theater?
I
भाई,
did.
मेरे तो पैदा
did?
होने के 2 साल
Yeah.
पहले आई थी.
In
So
the
you might have, but you don't remember. you
in
know?
the take that we have discarded.
2 साल
साल
थोड़ी
पहले,
चलती
और
रही थी
पहले।
पिक्चर. हाँ.
2 साल पहले.
95 में आई थी. I
Oh,
was
sorry.
born 95.
How what year were you born? in?
92.
Oh, okay.
So
you
I
were
don't
3 years old.
remember if I saw it. I don't think I saw it in the theater. We had VCD. whatever,
आप दोनों में
Cassette.
कितनी एज का डिफरेंस है?
4 years.
I'm 32, 4.
You
I'm 88. He's 92, so 4 years.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you saw it in the theater.
I saw it in theaters. It was released on a holiday. I don't remember which holiday, but
How did you know it was a holiday?
because I didn't have to go to school that day.
Oh, yeah.
So and it was a packed theater, wild crowd.
I'm
and,
so pleased with myself. We recorded this exact thing just so you know.
That's why it is just so funny to us.
We recorded this
in
exact
case you
thing.
wonder why it takes 4 hours for us to record and we look so
Rehearsed answers
exhausted.
थे सारे.
Yeah, I just wanted a complete circle
But
moment
yeah.
that made him say it that it was a holiday.
But I want to mention again, there's a scene where
Yeah.
Mamta Kulkarni takes off her shirt and checks herself out in the mirror, and the crowd went wild when that
Wow,
happened.
nice.
Yeah.
Were there uncles more or were there youngsters more?
I think youngsters. Also, when you're 7 years old, everybody looks like an uncle.
That's
to
true
you.
actually.
Yeah.
Uncle?
भाई मैंने एक जोक पढ़ा उस दिन लाइक कि मेरा कॉलीग बैठ के अपने बेटे का फॉर्म भर रहा था. फादर्स नेम में उसने गलती से अपने बाप का नाम भर दिया. फिर 5 मिनट बाद रियलाइज हुआ कि फक
ओए, तो
आई
मैं
एम द
हूँ.
फादर नाउ.
I am your father.
Karan Arjun has a very good scary song in Jai Ma Kali, by the way.
It's not
Have you thought
supposed to
of
be
that?
scary.
It's intimidating, no?
It's
like that.
intimidating, yeah.
It's like that kind
Because
of
the aura of the goddess is like that.
Yeah,
That's
correct.
why.
That's pretty well done, man. It's a rare song like that.
But who was your like okay dumb question but again who was your favorite character in
Karan or Arjun?
Karan,
Karan or
in
Arjun?
Karan Arjun as a film?
Shah Rukh's character, Arjun, dude.
Shah Rukh's character.
Yeah. He gets the laughs, gets to ride a horse, has a gulel. Fun times, dude. Yeah. I think Shah Rukh for sure. Gets also like the more jokes. Gets the
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब he's
Salman is
the
straight face, dude, as hell.
मतलब हाँ उसका
Yeah.
character सारा
Straight
वो है
guy
ना
and
गुस्सा
clown.
एकदम
Yeah.
frustrated fighter.
Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
आपका भी शाहरुख.
मेरा भी शाहरुख, हाँ. उस टाइम पे तो मैं मतलब मेरी बहन शाहरुख की दीवानी थी तो मैं भी शाहरुख का दीवाना
I think Abbas will be Asif Sheikh's character.
भाई एक्चुअली
joke.
पता है फन सबसे ज्यादा वो उस मोमेंट पे आता था जब वो कहता था ना ठाकुर तो गए हो. वो बहुत फनी लगता था मुझे. मतलब कैरेक्टर ऑब्वियसली नाउ दैट आई लुक बैक शाहरुख सलमान इनमें से कोई होगा बट देन when I was a kid watching वो ठाकुर तो गए used to be so fun
Dude,
because
that so like to that point, another very funny scene in the movie is the Johnny Lever scene where he goes to meet, like he's going as a friend of Kajol's. to meet her
Okay.
when she has been locked inside the house, inside the
हाँ,
koti
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
with her
हाँ,
this thing. So he's downstairs is
Yeah.
Kajol's father and Amrish Puri are sitting, and this guy's talking about, "Hey, Karan Arjun को देखा ना भाई? Karan, बोलो, तुमने Karan Arjun को कहाँ देखा?" Whatever Amrish Puri says, and Johnny Lever was like, "अरे देखा ना भाई? अरे मस्त देखेला है." Whatever he says. And अच्छा कितना कब देखा? अरे एक पूरा काला काला था काला बिल्कुल, और और एक सफेद घोड़े पे बैठा है Karan Arjun, the whole thing weird.
But the thing is कि हम लोग अभी जब इसको recast कर रहे थे, we realized that characters like Johnny Lever,
Ashok
and
Saraf.
Ashok Saraf जो मुंशी जी play करते
Yeah.
हैं eventually, भाई मतलब as in
Is Rohit Saraf related to Ashok Saraf?
I don't know
Is this a
actually.
random thought?
No,
Neither do I.
Okay, anyway.
no idea.
Please
But-
tell us if you know. हाँ.
Yeah, but ऐसे कैरेक्टर अब के टाइम में हमारे पास है ही नहीं. लाइक आई वाज हम लोग रिकास्ट नहीं कर पाए ऑब्वियसली इनको, बट देन व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग कि अगर मैं मुंशी कैरेक्टर को रिकास्ट करने की कोशिश करूं तो आई लिटरली कुडंट थिंक ऑफ एनीबडी बट ईदर राजपाल यादव और
Bro, I literally wrote that also.
यार
Rajpal Yadav.
बिकॉज़ और कोई
Yeah.
है ही नहीं ना.
Did you also?
Yeah, more or less. Like his name did go.
लाइक
pass
इधर
through my
राजपाल
mind.
यादव और लाइक संजय
संजय
Sanjay Mishra.
संजय मिश्रा या
हाँ.
और
Vijay Raj.
हाँ मतलब वही ना कि यही
Basically
तीन
cast of Bhool Bhulaiya 3.
Yeah, I think Tripti Dimri would be great as Ashok
वो-
Saraf.
ब्रो आई थिंक किसी की कास्ट में होगा
पक्का
ट्रिपल
पक्का.
डिमरी.
मेरी में है.
मेरी में भी
मेरे
है
में तो नहीं है.
मेरी में है
मतलब मेरे में ही नहीं है सिर्फ.
But the thing is, like, it's an option because I'm not too happy. We'll come to it.
Should we just start the recast?
Abbas
Can
just
I
wants
guess?
to eat food.
Yeah.
No, correct. But can I guess one before we get into
Yeah.
our own?
Okay. Yes.
I want to guess who Snehil's Rakhi character is. Is it Rekha? Because earlier in the group, instead of when you were listing down all
Yeah,
the characters to be
characters,
listed,
हाँ.
you said Rekha.
Instead of Rakhi, yes.
Is it Rekha?
No.
Oh, I thought like sometimes what happens when you think
हाँ,
when you're
But
writing.
Rekha's too hot for that role, even today. Awkward silence.
No, it's the way you said too hot.
That's how you know.
Like, oh my
Abbas
God.
is single.
Yeah.
Abbas has been single.
Abbas is fucking.
is too hot.
Yeah, हम घर जाके पढ़ना देखते हैं. ये फिल्म फेयर आईफा अवार्ड 2025 ऑन करता है.
कहता है
इन
आज
आँखों की
इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी
मस्ती
देख ही लूंगा मैं.
मस्ताने हजारों.
It's just me and Mr. Bachchan, bro.
Why would you randomly?
Stop.
But we should make a clarification is that like most of our previous recasting episodes, we are keeping Ranveer and Ranveer off the books.
We
Yeah,
do.
Because
They're off the
otherwise all three of us would have cast them as
Yeah,
our-
as
Oh,
always.
obviously, yeah,
Yes.
मतलब obviously.
So by now, if you're a regular viewer, you should know. And if you're a new viewer, we are telling you that we try and avoid Ranveer and Ranveer in the cast because otherwise a lot of the lead roles will go to them because they happen to be the leading
the
Men
leading
of
men
men of
of
Bollywood right now
this,
in our minds, and terrific actors and terrific names that just come to mind in these
Yeah,
cases. So it seems
exactly.
like a cheat.
Yeah.
Seems like a cheat code, which we are trying to avoid. Is this what?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah, so
And we've been fairly successful at that.
Yeah, I would say, man.
debatable.
नहीं मतलब
No, I
भाई
think we did
ठीक-
only the first, maybe the second one, and then after that we didn't use it much.
हमने Avengers में भी नहीं use किया था.
Avengers में भी नहीं use किया था, correct?
Yeah.
correct.
I think very soon we'll have to add Vikrant Masi to that list.
I think we'll have to very soon add Vicky Kaushal to that list because Vicky Kaushal is again reaching the
You're right.
point where
You are right.
he could
But
fit almost
dude,
every character.
Every time we do this, we have the same dilemma that there are fucking all of 12
Yeah.
working actors
मैंने try
in
किया.
that
So-
mainstream
But
level.
you know, so then what we should try and do maybe from next
Is
episode.
beyond go beyond
Go
the
beyond movies.
ये
Like-
कॉन्वर्सेशन हमें पहले पॉडकास्ट पे कर
नहीं,
रहे
नहीं.
हैं पॉडकास्ट
Our audience is like our brainstorming session.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, there's so much stuff happening on streaming, and we don't necessarily know.
Dude, I think firstly
the
what happens
actors.
is
लाइक स्ट्रीमिंग को कास्ट करना स्ट्रीमिंग के शो
streaming actors,
Oh, obviously,
actors from streaming
भाई
shows.
मतलब I have
Like what's the last? big
not
streaming
chosen anyone, but
show?
okay.
Yeah, that's what because we think
Hoping
immediately we
against
think of
hope.
movie
नहीं
stars.
मैंने
hey
मतलब
man,
मैंने
Shahid
सोचा-
Kapoor
Like,
is a
did
streaming
any
actor.
of you think of Pratik Gandhi as any character?
I did actually, but
did?
then he didn't fit any
Yeah,
of the
कहाँ पे
characters.
भाई? क्या?
कहाँ तुम्हें गुजराती
I think,
चाहिए?
I
but
think he would be good as Ashok Saran.
कैसा
तो क्यों?
Typecast much.
पहले कोकेन कराओ फिर उसके बाद ठाकुर तो गयो.
But like, what's a big streaming show that came out in the last?
पंचायत अब्बास.
Okay, so did you any of you think of Jeetu Bhaiya as?
I did, but again he doesn't fit. जबरदस्ती थोड़ा डाल दूंगा.
Fine, bro. Okay.
मैंने तो शशांक के बारे में भी सोचा था.
Aurora.
हाँ जो.
But he's in a movie. He's in movies.
But he
He's
started
in Made in
with
Heaven.
Made in Heaven, no?
No, he was
नहीं,
in
like
stuff
not
before that
started,
also.
but like थोड़ा
He
came
was
to
in,
fame sorts.
That movie, bro, that Biswa was in. Brahman Naman.
Okay, Brahman Aman.
Yeah, on
तो
Netflix. Yeah.
that's what, like मतलब अब आते हैं माइंड में, but then again fit भी तो
Okay,
होना
fine,
है.
bro. Fine. You watch a lot of streaming shows.
I just realized कि Jaideep Alawat wasn't on my list. He's on yours?
Maybe.
Oh, wow, इसलिए
यार,
ज्ञान भैंस तो चोद रहा है साला.
For some reason,
हाँ, OTT का तुमने तो नहीं लिया. हाँ, क्या करते हो तुम डफर लोग तुम.
वही ना.
साला.
थोड़ा अपना horizon बढ़ाओ.
Oh, wow. Now see, Jaideep Alawat is bad casting for Shah Rukh, dude. Though.
and a bad casting for every other character in the
Amrish
film.
We'll
is the
find
only
out.
one, dude. That's what I
Amrish is
know.
the only one, but then Amrish
But for sure, Abbas is Amrish
We'll
is.
come to it when we'll
Amrish
come
के
to it.
लिए oh I have the
Perfect.
ठीक है मेरी मतलब.
Okay, should we go
But it
then?
would be
Maybe.
interesting to see what I have.
Have you
casted
gender
to-
swapped?
नहीं
Durjan
भाई.
Singh? Okay.
अंतरिक्ष से पूछो ये सवाल. अभी
भाई,
पता लगे बोले भाई-
Rakhi is male.
Rakha.
And Amrish Puri is female.
Cool.
Yeah.
Who wants to go first?
So let's decide the sequence. We, as always, will go from
top
the
two
leads,
yeah.
To
the
the
top
side
build to
characters.
the
Yeah.
lowest build actor.
Yeah,
But
वरना-
इसमें सारे almost similar ही हैं except like शाहरुख सलमान. सबका
I
screen
mean,
space
नहीं,
almost.
Kajol and Mamta
yeah,
Kulkarni
dude,
are also
Kajol,
pretty
Mamta,
big,
that's
bro.
all.
हाँ, मतलब
And then
ऐसे-
Amrish, and then
Rakhi, bro. Yeah.
हाँ, but
And then-
exact that's what I'm saying. All of them are of the same level. सबका
Yeah, and then,
उतना ही importance और screen space है.
the nephews are very important.
वही बोल रहा हूँ भाई. यही बोला था.
हाँ, ठीक है
चलो,
भाई.
ठीक है भाई.
तो चल तू ही start कर ले फिर.
Let us get to it. I'll get my phone out of this charging port here, okay, so that I can refer to my notes.
हमने इस वाले टेक में बताया था कि हम सलमान के बारे में क्यों बात करने
नहीं.
वाले हैं क्योंकि करण अर्जुन.
Oh yeah.
ओ या सो गाइस ये जो हमारा टेक 1700 है उसमें हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि हमने करण अर्जुन इसलिए पिक किया बिकॉज सिकंदर आने वाली है दोस्तों एंड वी
That
वांटेड
and
टू
this is also the 30th year.
आल्सो द 38th ईयर ऑफ करण अर्जुन
Yeah.
एंड सिकंदर आने वाली है, ईद आने वाली है, सलमान भाई आएंगे ईदी देने, तो हमने सोचा
मेरे
कि
को तो कभी नहीं दी.
अरे इट्स अ थिंग व्हेन सलमान रिलीजेस अ फिल्म ही सेज सलमान भाई ने ईदी दी है अपने फैंस को.
Can I know we're going to do a Sikandar episode, like a special Sikandar episode.
सिकंदर एपिसोड ऑब्वियसली
But
इट इज द बिगेस्ट फिल्म ऑफ द ईयर.
I'm getting so far.
but
I'm getting very किसी का भाई किसी की जान vibes
Bro,
from the trailer.
मतलब इतना it's not as bad,
I
हाँ
don't know.
but
man.
bad,
It's-
but bad. I
मतलब
agree.
बट आई अगेन भाई मेरे अंदर थोड़ा ऑप्टिमिज्म रहता ही है सलमान को लेके. आई थिंक कुछ तो वो फिल्म में रिडीमिंग क्वालिटी होगा.
Bro, क्या? How can you? After all that you've experienced with Salman, how can anyone say that? It is crazy.
पता नहीं भाई सिकंदर लाइक आई थिंक नाडियाडवाला के साथ वो बहुत किक के बाद आई थिंक नाउ इज कोलैबोरेटिंग विद
So
नाडियाडवाला.
I'll tell you, okay, for the 99% of times, the trailer will tell you all you need to know about the film.
Not exactly.
Dude,
Bhai,
99%
nahi
of
bhai.
times,
You mean
especially
for
for Bollywood.
You mean for Salman movies?
No, especially for Bollywood.
Not
No,
exactly.
in the sense, whether you will like it or not, or it'll be a good movie or not, you can tell from the trailer. I feel I've always been able to. I say, yeah.
I saw the trailer for Merry Christmas. I thought I like it, but I didn't like the movie.
You didn't
that
like
much.
Merry Christmas?
It was okay.
It
Not
was
as much
okay.
as I
Yeah,
wanted.
fair enough.
Good film.
But
Anyway.
it wasn't like a mind-blowing trailer. Oh my god!
Mhm.
It was an okay trailer only.
The way मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, trailer is not often a great representation of what the movie will be.
I'm not saying it's like exact review is
But
fake
नहीं,
as
I
करो,
think I
okay.
still think like पता नहीं मतलब ठीक है I agree कि थोड़ा dicey vibes है. But I would
We'll
still like
revisit
to
this. What's the date is releasing?
30th Sunday.
30th.
Yeah, we'll revisit this next week, and
For sure, for
you'll
sure.
see that we were right, Abbas and I, as always,
हो सकता है.
as we are about everything. And as always, I will win this episode, like
Okay
I won
then.
every single recasting episode before this.
Salman,
Yes.
Yeah, Arjun. नहीं,
Karan.
You got it wrong every time.
Karan, my
Yeah.
Karan is in the newer version of Karan Arjun, Avinash Tiwari from
Okay.
Laila
Got
Majnu.
it. Got it.
Oh.
Got it. Got it.
Why?
And I win this round.
Yeah, charming though है बंदा. Yes.
भाई एक तो
Yes.
so I think one of the
मेहता बॉयज देखी तूने?
most नहीं अभी नहीं देखी.
बहुत सही है dude. What a beautiful. Did
क्या
you
बात
watch?
कर रहे हो भाई? ये बोले बहुत बेली है.
मैंने देखा नहीं
नहीं
मैंने
नहीं, it's such
I
a
asked someone who had
beautiful
seen it
film.
and they
हाँ,
didn't
हाँ,
like it.
हाँ,
हाँ.
like it's very beautifully done. There's not like it's not like a very plot heavy movie.
Hmm.
It's just the relationship between a dad and a son
Yeah.
is explored, and it's quite well done.
So Avinash Tiwari I feel is one of the finest actors that we have. लैला मजनू में मुझे जितना मतलब लैला मजनू फिल्म जिस वजह से मुझे पसंद है दैट इज अविनाश तिवारी. लाइक उसका लैला मजनू फिल्म पसंद होने का 80% रीजन इज अविनाश तिवारी. ही इज
अब
डन
तू है पहला.
ब्रो ही इज डन अ फैबुलस जॉब.
I have not seen Laila Majnu.
देख सकते हो. अगेन अविनाश तिवारी का मुझे लगता है कि जितना वो क्रेडिट डिजर्व करता है अभी तक इंडस्ट्री ने उसको दिया नहीं है.
Yeah,
एंड
fair. He's
गुड
awesome.
गुड
He's a
लुकिंग है.
He's a great straight man in what's the name?
Why isn't he a gay man?
No, in Madgaon Express.
मडगांव में भी है वो. फ्लैट जोक बट ओके.
Great, well done, Abbas.
Good
Leave it
one,
in.
Abbas.
That had no reaction from anyone.
we'll get you a spot at the Habitat.
Yeah, especially now.
So,
Finally, I'll get to perform.
anyway, so he was great in Madgaon.
Yeah, yeah.
He was very good in Laila Majnu. You were saying he's great in Mehta Boys also.
Yeah, he's very good. Absolutely.
तो आई थिंक सलमान का जो अच्छा फिजिक वाला रोल था ही कैन बिल्ड ही कैन लाइक थोड़ा ऐसा बिल्ड बना के आई थिंक ही विल बी एबल टू पुल इट ऑफ. एंड जो इनका री-इनकारनेशन के पहले वाला जो वो शरीफ गांव के बच्चे होते हैं वो तो वो एनीवे लाइक प्ले कर ही सकता है.
Can I ask why Avinash Tiwari for Salman's role and not Shah Rukh's role? Because in my head, if you were to choose between them, it seemed like he would be better fit for Shah Rukh's role.
नहीं मतलब आई थिंक जो मैंने शाहरुख के रोल के लिए मैंने थोड़ा और वैसा सोचा है जो और कॉमेडी थोड़ा और लाइक उतना बॉडी वाला नहीं, थोड़ा पतला थोड़ा चिल थोड़ा
तो फिर
ऐसा.
बता ही दे. Let's just do both. We can all
No,
reveal
no,
our
let's
current
go
together,
one
no?
by one,
Oh,
no.
really? I'm thinking like if we do the pair, so
Okay,
we'll all
sure.
get the pair out one by one. You know, we can. What?
Get the pair out.
Yeah, you get
Why
one.
he acts like Joey sometimes.
Yeah,
from
what is
Friends.
this?
He's like, he said shit.
He said get the pair out.
Anyway, so
No, get the pair out. Sorry. Yeah, so who's your
Who's the
Arjun?
pair with?
my शाहरुख choice actually I had two, but then I was like कि एक तो मैंने विक्रांत में से रखा था just for the fun
Why?
of it.
I have given up on Vikram Masi.
Why have you given up on Vikrant Massey, bro?
No,
I
he's
actually thought Vikrant
Retired,
Massey
bro.
would
Retired.
be. No, he's not retired. He took a
Hey,
break. He's
isn't
back.
Vikrant Massey little too old to be?
Yeah,
in-
so I know, but then again, he अगर वो 12th pass play कर सकता है IAS officer, तो I think इधर भी कर सकता है. But anyway,
Sure.
like the choice that I had was Sparsh Srivastava from Lapata Ladies.
Did you
Oh,
guys
okay.
watch Dupahiya?
No.
ओ मैंने उसका थोड़ा
Gajraj
देखा है.
Rao.
गजराज
Gajraj's
हाँ,
new
मैं
show.
थोड़ा देखा है वो.
Dude, damn fun, dude.
ब्रो
What a-
उसके
what a
अंदर
good
मैंने
one.
कुछ क्लिप्स देखे हैं
Bhuvan Arora भी है show में. Who
Bhuvan Arora
again
भी है,
we
yes,
also
yes,
interviewed
yes.
before, and dude, fantastic. What a show.
तो आई
Very
थिंक
fun.
स्पर्श फॉर शाहरुख्स रोल बिकॉज वो थोड़ा ऐसा लापता लेडीज में से वो गांव का वो जो उसने प्ले किया
Same
है
in Dupahiya also.
दुपहिया आल्सो
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली
And
उसके अंदर
he
मुझे
does
लगता
that like so well.
सो वेल कॉमेडी वाला एंगल मुझे लगता है
बहुत सही है
स्पर्श
वो.
बहुत अच्छे से कर
बहुत
सकता
अच्छा
है.
करता है वो.
तो दैट्स व्हाई आई चोज स्पर्श फॉर शाहरुख एंड अविनाश जो थोड़ा टॉल थोड़ा ऐसा बल्क करके फाइटर प्ले कर सकता है. तो इसलिए मेरे माइंड में वो शाहरुख सलमान के लिए
So,
अविनाश था,
I'll tell you.
शाहरुख के लिए स्पर्श.
I have a problem with that. Well, the thing is, like,
The problem is that I
Salman-
have a better casting.
see, Karan Arjun, there needs to be a balance between them. In the sense, it's kind of like a yin yang, you know, where one of them was a little more shant, one of them was a little more boisterous, one of them is a little more flirty, one of them is a little more like, stay away from me, you woman, right? They are both, but like sort of equally balanced in a way. Okay, so the height matters. Unfortunately, Sparsh is not as tall an actor. That's just it.
But Salman is taller than Shah Rukh, right?
But barely. You know,
हाँ,
it's,
मतलब
they're
उनकी
very,
height
they're very,
almost similar
they're
ही
very
है.
same, very much the same almost. And that's part of why those two characters, Karan Arjun,
Work.
work
हाँ.
together. Like
समझा.
that.
Fair point.
Not that I have anything against Pars. I fucking love that guy. But I don't think it works together with Avinash here. So either or you'll have to kill one of them so that you can cast someone else.
No,
Sorry.
actually, I'll kill both of them. And then
we
Reincarnate them.
Oh, nice. Yes, great. Of course.
Nice.
But okay, fair enough. I'll give that a 1 out of 5 as always.
but characteristic wise, I think जो characteristic सोच के मैंने दोनों cast किए वो
Yeah,
on
fair.
point है.
Sure,
Yeah,
man.
Height वाला
somehow-
angle also makes sense, like like the way
Yeah.
you put it.
Yeah.
But
Still no.
characteristics
I think
over height.
I think over in my head again Sparsh is just I don't know man doesn't fit this character, but maybe he proves me wrong dude in like the next couple of films because he's doing awesome work.
Yeah.
And I really like that guy. But anyway, Abbas, who's your Karan Adanya version?
Makaran.
Your Karan for
Played
doing this
by-
is
Johar. No. My Karan is Vedang Raina.
okay. I you know I thought of that and I thought it'll be someone's at least for sure.
Yeah, it's mine. And
Yeah.
my Arjun is Ayushmann Khurrana. Is my Arjun.
Bye.
Guys,
चलो
come on, guys.
1-0.
It's a good. It's a good casting, bro. It's like
भाई, एक तो
Ayushmann is like
पहली
the
बात,
playful,
वेदांग
flirty
रैना-
one.
वेदांग रैना कौन से एंगल से आपको गांव का लड़का लगता है भाई?
नहीं, but
वेदांग
given-
रैना के
यार,
चेहरे
but
से
given-
हीरी
ये-
टपकती है भाई.
नहीं,
Even
see,
the
so that-
makeup
that-
and like I can see him adapting himself
Yeah,
into a
firstly that, and secondly
गाँव वाला.
also like when they are born the second time, they're शहर के
They're
born,
share
you know?
boys, yeah.
They're modernized then.
No.
Yeah, of course they are.
Of course
dude.
they are, bro.
Then
What
they
are you
go back
talking?
to
They
Gaon
go
and they start wearing the
Ram,
Bhangla
whatever.
wale
They are
outfits.
like, in the शहर also they are like not the.
भाई तो तू 1995 का शहर सोच रहा
हाँ,
है ना
bro.
2025 का सोचना.
No, he's absolutely. वैसे तो he's right in that regard. But
पता नहीं
Ayushmann
भाई,
Khurrana
मतलब like, okay.
and what's his name?
Vedang Raina.
Vedang Raina. No man, not at all.
What do you
Raina,
mean?
from
मुझे
what?
लगा भी
Firstly,
support में कुछ बोलने वाला है.
firstly, not
It's
even
not
close
the
in
same
age.
height, bro.
So what?
you it is height related.
ये क्या
हाँ,
क्या
ये क्या
requirement है? वो you have to be this high to write this.
Dude, you know where Splash Gaurav would be great? In Student of the Year, Varun Dhawan's role.
Oh wait, how about Adarsh Gaurav for Arjun?
Again, height, bro.
Fuck it, I'm sticking with Ayushmann Khurrana.
I love Adarsh Gaurav. He's been on the show.
Adarsh Gaurav.
Multiple
bro.
times.
Adarsh
Oh,
Gaurav is one of the finest actors.
Finest
bro.
actors.
Yeah,
मानेगा
yes,
also,
No
yes.
doubt about it.
So yeah, my reason is just like I think
तो
Vedang
आपने
Raina.
Salman
Vedang is Salman, who's the more muscular one, more reserved one, and the more playful, flirtatious one is Ayushmann Khurrana.
Bro, swap.
Why? Why? How can Ayushmann Khurrana play Karan, bro?
Why not?
क्या यार Ayushmann Khurrana is like yuppie type, you know.
Yeah,
he's,
fair.
yeah,
भाई, वो
roadies
देख-
में गया
वो
था.
देखिए
पर
आपने
article-
चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी.
हाँ देखी है.
भाई क्या मस्त बीफ अप करके उसने
But he's
बढ़िया
not.
एकदम-
He's not that broody kind of this thing. No, that Salman was
Yeah, that's
in
true.
this movie.
Yeah, fair.
Tall,
Imagine
dark,
that was gonna be
handsome.
Ajay Devgan, I think, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Salman का role was
Yeah,
gonna be played by Ajay
originally.
Devgan.
Originally,
Yeah.
And
हाँ.
Shahrukh, and then Shahrukh को छोड़ के फिर आमिर आ गया, and then आमिर
हाँ.
को वापस kick out करके Shahrukh आया.
Apparently
How
Shahrukh
weird
requested.
movie that would have been. Ajay Devgan and Amir Khan, bro. Oh, that's
No,
Ishq.
That's
Ajay
Ishq, yeah, right.
Devgan and Shahrukh were only supposed to be.
Ah, but
there.
he's saying
No,
then
but
Shah
then
Rukh.
हाँ, then
आमिर
Shah
आ
Rukh
गया.
left,
हाँ,
yeah.
That would have been
Yeah,
Ishq, you're right. हमको तुमसे प्यार है.
So
उसका
yeah,
Ishq casting also would be great
Dhenchu
someday,
Dhenchu
by
wala scene is amazing, dude.
Correct.
Ishq,
yeah,
like,
We should do
Mara,
Ishq
Mara, Mara.
recast, no? So
Ishq,
someday.
that would be
in the
great
future,
actually.
yeah.
A lot of people do
Well,
recast
we can recast the fathers and everything.
it. Yeah,
Anyway.
exactly.
So yeah, Vedang and Ayushmann, the best recasting on this episode, and with that, I'm gonna hand it over to
The
you.
best
Let me
recast-
see
the
what
actual
you have.
best, the actual best recasting.
Vikrant Masi and Vikrant Masi.
At least same height.
Okay,
Yeah.
you know. Okay,
Suhana.
I got this. Okay, I got this.
Okay.
Okay.
You didn't get
Wait. Now I realize maybe my actor also is not that tall. My argument eats itself.
Rajpal Yadav.
So for Salman, right?
Hmm.
I don't know if you guys if this is cheating or not, but I would like to see Fawad Khan in Salman's role.
Okay.
That's
Mala
my
Jat.
first option.
Hmm.
Okay. But
And
as always,
you have
as
17
always, I
others.
have, yes, of
Yeah.
course. So Fawad Khan, I think, good actor.
Yeah.
I think in a pensive, serious role,
Bro, he's a little too good for that role, but anyway.
too good as an actor, you mean?
And looks wise also.
Salman
एक
is
second.
one of the most
What?
handsome hunks on
Dude,
the planet.
no, 1995 Salman.
Was the hottest. He's not.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No,
Now he's
not-
the hottest guy.
Not now, but it's like 98 to 2003 Salman I think was hotter.
Bro, हम
भाई
आपके
2 साल का
नहीं,
फर्क है
dude,
chill करो
also-
लाइफ में
नहीं वो
Dude,
ओ जाने जाने वाला जो look था
yeah,
ना
that was
उसका।
after this, no? This
That was after this, yeah.
वही कह रहा हूँ
right
1-2 साल का ही फर्क है It's
हाँ,
fine.
but he's look changed in that anyway.
I mean, yeah, sure. I
Yeah,
get what you're
yeah.
saying.
हाँ
But
Fawad Khan,
was
हाँ,
Fawad Khan.
हाँ.
But I think a better option is Varun Dhawan. Actually. For
I'll
Karan
go
Johar.
back to Fawad Khan.
Huh?
I would go
but
back
I'll tell
to
you
Fawad
why.
Khan.
Again, so the body and Varun has done like for in Badlapur.
Varun as an actor I love
Yeah, yeah.
I
that's what.
love because
I,
So he can pull it
हाँ.
off. He
I
absolutely can pull it
cannot
off.
imagine.
He can pull off the exaggerated action. He can pull
I
off.
can't imagine Varun as a गांव का लड़का.
what
Yeah.
Yeah, fair. I get what you're saying.
ठीक है
हाँ. जेल वाले ही बाल
But then
लगते
that's
हैं
the
मेरे
problem
को.
with everyone, dude.
True,
कि
that's
जाओ-
true.
if
Yeah,
गाँव का ही
yeah.
also हमारे गांव में तो थोड़े मॉडर्न हुए होंगे यार 30 साल हो गए भाई अबे इंटरनेट तो है ही भाई जियो वियो अरे अंबानी के जू पहुंच गए लोग यार उसमें टेंशन क्या है my more preferred option for recasting Shah Rukh's role in this movie is Ali Fazal.
कैसे भाई अली फजल को आप एक्चुअली सलमान के रोल के लिए डाल सकते हो क्योंकि
Bro.
वो बॉडी बिल्डर लंबा चौड़ा एकदम
Dude,
ऐसा-
but
यार देख
वरुण की
बॉडी बिल्डर
body
तो
तो-
सारे हीरो हैं यार.
हाँ वो तो है
नहीं
आजकल तो,
सारे
हाँ.
नहीं है
आज के जमाने में हर हीरो के बाइसेप्स ट्राइसेप सिक्स पैक है यार. जब आयुष्मान खुराना के हो सकते हैं तो अली फजल के क्यों नहीं हो
नहीं
सकते?
अली फजल के तो है वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि
तो
अली
मैं
फजल
वही
के
कह रहा हूँ तो
हैं
देन
कि-
I get it. It's not like Shah Rukh was fat in the movie.
Yeah, he was fit as
No,
fuck, dude.
but
He's
he
a horse
didn't
rider.
have like those fucking pecs and
See,
abs
the thing
and-
is, no, he might have had, but they gave him all those baggy jackets, dude.
Ah, that's true. Jackets and
It's
everything.
super baggy jackets because they want Salman to be in the banyan.
Muscular, yeah.
अली फजल ठीक है okay
Yeah.
who's your
Okay.
less preferred option
My less preferred option is Vicky Kaushal. Because again, I thought firstly,
all four of, except for Varun Dhawan, the three of your choices are very sophisticated, bro.
And
Varun
Fawad-
Dhawan is very not sophisticated. Like
No.
he played gaon ka roles and like
That's what I'm saying. Fawad
Very
Khan,
well
Ali Fazal, and Vikrant Mazi क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Vicky Kaushal are all too poised and like
Dude,
sophisticated.
yeah.
again Varun Dhawan. I mean,
This is an action movie, bro.
Badlapur, dude. Varun
Ah,
Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan, I'm saying,
Varun
is
Dhawan's
not
character-
sophisticated.
Varun Dhawan actually makes the most sense in
Sense,
the
yeah.
four.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
dude.
Oh, dude, Ali Fazal.
Also,
Ali Fazal does not make sense
Dude,
in my
makes-
mind at all.
Vicky Kaushal also a little old to play Shah Rukh's role.
But he's around Varun Dhawan's age only, dude. What's the difference?
I don't know. Maybe.
So
But okay, I don't know.
But
अभी मेरी casting
इस-
better
नहीं,
लग रही है इसकी.
इस round में तो मेरी casting
and
better.
my Kajol is such a actually no, it's not. That was the case.
So yeah, so it's Varun Dhawan and Ali Fazal.
Ali
Your
Fazal.
Karan Arjun.
Yeah.
What a weird movie.
इसमें height difference.
इसमें भी है, correct. I realized I am biting my own words, man. My argument was too good.
तो considering कि अगर हम height difference वाला point हटा दे
हाँ, फिर mine is better.
तो फिर मैं जीत गया हूँ मतलब.
Who was your Karan Arjun?
Avinash Tiwari
Sparsh and
and
Avinash.
Sparsh
Bro,
Gaurav.
I am
None of us
bang
have-
on.
None of our movies will open big because none of us have like.
These
a-
are all OTT films.
Yeah.
यार अब क्या करें
Unless
ना?
you have, if you take Vicky Kaushal, maybe.
Because पता है I'll tell you मैं actually जब कास्ट कर रहा था तो ये बात सोच रहा था कि like the popular ones ना just make it too on the face. आप समझ रहे हो like ऐसा लगता है कि thought ही नहीं डाला कास्ट
But
करने में.
95 में
exactly
सोचना यार शाहरुख और सलमान were like दो upcoming.
तभी तो रणवीर हटा दिया अपन ने
that's
ठीक
true.
है
Yeah,
सो वो भी सीन है कि मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल अब अगर हम लोग रणवीर कर दें भाई आधा ब्रेन सेल नहीं जाए ये बात सोचने में.
Correct, हाँ, वो first choice हो गया वो तो.
एग्जैक्टली
First
अविनाश
thought.
तिवारी स्पर्श श्रीवास्तव
तेरे कौन थे?
आपके गंदे कास्टिंग.
Ayushman and
correct.
Vedang Raina.
मजाक रहा है.
हाँ आपको भी ज्यादा माइंड तो नहीं लगाया आपने भी. तो बट दैट्स व्हाट लाइक वी एक्चुअली गेव इट अ थॉट कि भाई क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना
One
चाहिए.
thing is true, we are never becoming casting agents in Bollywood.
ब्रो आई जेन्युइनली वांट कि मैं किसी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को बुलाएं और उसको बोलें कि
we should,
रिव्यू
we
आवर
should.
कास्टिंग
Yeah,
एपिसोड ब्रो.
we should. Anyway,
It would be so much.
चलो.
so yeah, let's go to Kajol. Are we doing one by one?
Kajol
Ka-
और Rakhi because in the movie Rakhi
Oh,
was
actually,
first.
she's the third lead.
Yeah.
Oh bro, I have an amazing choice for her.
What are you
Who
saying?
is?
Bro, crazy. Like I couldn't think of anybody, but then I was like, whoa.
Even I think I have an awesome choice
It's
for
Ra-
Rakhi.
Oh.
Even I think I have an
Acha,
awesome
I
Challenge.
have a very dilly choice. Who's yours?
तो पहले डिली डैली बता दो आप.
अच्छा
फिर हम लोग कंपेटिटर्स आएंगे.
मैं भूल
बात
गया
करें.
मेरी राखी कौन थी. मेरी राखी है माँ is played by Amrita Singh. You all of the same?
Amrita Singh, fuck bro, you won this round. You won this round. We won. आपका भी अमृता सिंह तो नहीं है? Bro,
Better
even
even.
I've put Amrita Singh because
Yeah.
I was like crazy. Fuck, बताओ आप बताओ.
Mine is Rani Mukherjee.
Who will play Varun Dhawan's mother?
What is that laugh, guys? Wow, Rani Mukherjee would be awesome as Rakhi.
सच में?
Height, same.
Mother to Ali Fazal and Varun Dhawan.
I mean, yeah,
Rani Mukherjee.
actresses can play older or actors can play older.
Generally आपने रानी मुखर्जी.
Rani Mukherjee, dude. I
Okay,
literally
why?
thought-
Why?
So Rani Mukherjee,
I don't think she's ever played. She was a mother in that Mrs.
Norway.
Chatterjee.
Yeah, dude.
हाँ.
And she really
But
did give
the-
up on
but
the
the-
urge
But
to get-
भाई, like I think like for this role she has to be like a mother of
20
two
year olds.
25-year-olds twice. आप समझ रहे हो? मतलब
Yeah.
at this point वो 50
Okay,
साल के बच्चे
okay.
होने चाहिए
You know,
उसके.
actually, let's do this. Let's actually do. How old was Rakhi when she made this film? And how old is Rani Mukherjee now? Because I'm
I'm
sure they're not that far apart.
That might be true. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
But then
guessing.
भाई the actor the treatment of actors has also changed. No भाई,
Dude,
अभी रानी
correct.
मुखर्जी is playing roles like मर्दानी.
Dude, but she's also doing motherly roles like Mrs. Norway.
भाई motherly roles में
And-
she was just like अभी new
Dude, but
mother.
Baby.
we are not debating whether the actor will do the role or not.
I kind of agree what.
Yeah, the actor will do the role or
Antariksh
not.
is saying.
मतलब कोई भी नहीं करेगा भाई हमारा करण अर्जुन
देख,
का. ठीक है?
असलियत ये है कि राखी जैसे रोल खत्म हो गया
हाँ,
बॉलीवुड
वो तो मैं वो
So
तो
when
मैं-
he says Rakhi might have been closer to the age that Rani Mukherjee is now, I think he's not
high
wrong.
chances
Yeah,
age
exactly.
का
So,
प्रॉब्लम भाई.
I'm right, and you guys. Okay, so we just checked. That's what the cut was that you just saw. Rakhi was in fact 49 at the
Yes,
time, and
yes.
47 is what Rani Mukherjee is right now.
But तो you're right, एज वाला फैक्टर है बिल्कुल. उस टाइम पे एज अप्रोप्रिएशन पे कास्ट नहीं हो रहे थे लोग ऑब्वियसली.
हाँ.
फॉर फेमसली वक्त द रेस अगेंस्ट टाइम में शेफाली शाह वाज 2 years younger to अक्षय कुमार when she was playing his mother in the film.
And I'm
But-
married to Mr. Bachchan.
And married to
Yeah.
Vishnu Bachchan obviously. But then again, why Amrita Singh makes the most sense and would be appropriate for the. आपने बदला देखी है?
नहीं.
अमिताभ बच्चन
अमिताभ
वाली.
बच्चन वाली नहीं.
I think Amrita Singh, she's 67 by the way right now, and closer to what would realistically make sense for that
True,
character
yeah.
to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair.
But he
Right.
never told us why did you choose Rani Mukherjee?
Because she's a fantastic actress. Firstly, guys. Okay, one of the finest actors who isn't doing enough work should be doing way more.
Sure. But when I think
Okay.
of Rani Mukherjee today, I still don't think of her as mother.
But she has done that role, and she will.
But of, like, very
and-
young
no,
children, huh?
Correct. But also going forth, she will eventually be. You know, if she. If,
We're making this in 2025.
Yeah. तो राइट भाई 2025 में उसकी मर्दानी 4 रिलीज होने मर्दानी
but bro,
3 रिलीज होने
क्या
वाली है.
करना है? What do you have to do to look old? It's just a little bit of mannerisms, a little bit of voice modulation.
But then
some,
why not
hair.
take someone who's already that age? And why
I don't know. I
take
just thought this was a good idea. It
But-
would
but
be
then
out of left field. You know,
it's-
who wants to be? Amrita Singh is already doing those roles. Is what you're saying. You just said that.
You know what? My first choice was Madhuri Dixit.
Yeah, that's a more interesting casting. You
Arey,
get what I
but-
mean?
But then I was like, in Madhuri Dixit can't take like a second fiddle to Vedang Raina and Ayushmann
But there's
Khurrana.
nothing about second fiddle and all. No,
But then,
it's-
to
she's-
your point, it's not like we have a great talent pool of women
Yeah, that's
who
right.
look and act like mothers in
Dude, you know,
Bollywood.
But that's what I'm saying. Amrita Singh is right there.
She
Why-
is. He's also
Yeah.
my casting.
But why
but-
would
So
we
I'll tell
not
you,
go for
like,
someone who's already
for
there
instance,
and
for
make
instance.
someone?
but then everybody's choice will be then Amrita Singh or one or
Dude,
two
like
other
for
names.
instance, for
मैं
instance, I
उनकी-
think also Taboo would be a
Ah,
better
bro,
choice.
too hot. I'm sorry.
Dude, but she has played a mother again. You know, in Drishyam,
Yeah,
her
she-
son is close to like 20 at least. At least.
But that's what I'm saying. This character needs to have two 20-year-old, two
अरे तो
25-year-old.
twins है ना
Okay,
भाई?
okay. So wait. So
हाँ
Actually, there aren't they
भाई
twins?
reincarnation तो 25 साल plus 25 साल
Oh, that's true.
50.
हाँ,
That's
तो
what I'm
ठीक है ना
saying.
भाई?
तो like the kid has to be 50-year-old at this point अगर एक ही
do-
बच्चा होता तो.
question: do Karan Arjun get reborn on the same day that they die?
No, but
They
again,
never say
just,
that,
just
but
for
that's
the
the assumption.
convenience of it,
Sure.
I'm
They show it
saying
together.
Yeah,
कि
at
भाई-
least.
हाँ.
नहीं, मेरा question था, so then in your version of Karan Arjun, is the mother still the helpless waiting for her sons, or is she like, does she have agency and
Matlab, I don't know if you depends on how much you're modernizing the plot.
Yeah.
Because if we are, then yes.
Because
But
if
you're
we
not,
if we
whatever.
have Rani Mukherjee as a mother, we'll definitely have to do that because in
रानी मुखर्जी कितना रोएगी picture
because
में?
in Mrs. Strategy is Norway also. She's not the she initially is the helpless one, but then she fights against it, right?
But that's actually what Raki's character is also. She
No,
never gives
she's
up.
just waiting.
No, but she never gives up. She is
She
holding
does
her ground,
dialogue
has
bazi
balls of
with
steel.
Amrish
Yeah.
Puri.
Correct.
Thakur Durjat
And then
Singh.
later in the movie, when
Oh,
they
this
are
is
when her
Rani.
sons are
Thakur
back,
Durjat Singh.
later when the sons are back,
Yeah.
she's the one who's saying, "अच्छा बेटा ये मत करो, अच्छा बेटा वो करो, अच्छा ऐसे मारते हैं उसको, ऐसे करते हैं."
You mean like every mother?
Also, you know, we talked about this. I
What?
think we made a reel about it also about one of the worst mothers
Mothers, yeah.
in Bollywood
Yeah.
history
Yeah,
is
yeah,
Raki's
Raki,
character.
हाँ.
In
कि तुम एक बार मर चुके हो वापस आओ
हाँ, correct.
वापस मरो.
Like yeah.
Yeah.
But I like if you're like talking about worst mothers, I have this another contention. आपने एक मूवी है कसम पैदा करने वाले की.
हाँ, सुना है मैंने.
मिथुन चक्रवर्ती डबल रोल उसमें भी अमरीश पुरी बाप बनता है ठीक है क्रूअल बाप उसमें भी बहु प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको बहुत ज़्यादा तो अमरीश पुरी तो इसका मिथुन चक्रवर्ती उसका बेटा होता है और मिथुन चक्रवर्ती को वो मरवा देता है तो उसकी वाइफ स्मिता पाटिल बदला लेने के लिए अपने बेटे को तैयार कर रही होती है ठीक है जो कि बड़ा होके इवेंचुअली मिथुन बनता है
Okay.
तो लाइक व्हेन ही इज लाइक जस्ट बॉर्न ठीक है तो वो उस बार बहुत तेज बारिश आ रही होती है ठीक है तो वो एक न्यू बॉर्न बेबी को लेके बारिश में ऐसे खड़ी हो जाती है एंड देन लाइक समवन इज लाइक कि अरे तू पागल है क्या कैसी माँ है तू इस बच्चे को तूफान में लेके खड़ी है एंड देन शी सेज इसको बड़े होके बहुत तूफानों का सामना करना है अगर ये इस तूफान से बच जाएगा तो इसको मेरा बेटा कहलाने की कोई हक नहीं है
अगर इस तूफान में मर गया
हाँ कि मतलब ये तूफान भी
बच
नहीं
गया।
ये
झेल
तो कुछ
पाया
नहीं है, हाँ।
तो उनको मतलब
क्या ही
अभी तो
बनेगा।
बड़े बड़े तूफान झेल ले
हाँ.
So in that movie, Smita Patil plays Mithun's mother.
एंड मिथुन वाइफ
Weird.
So Amrish Puri has a son which is Mithun.
Yeah.
He gets married to Smita Patil. Then Amrish Puri kills Mithun. And then by the time
That
by the time
couple-
she is expecting and the child that is
Is also Mithun.
is Mithun.
And then again marries the wife.
अरे वो तो माँ हो गई ना उसकी फिर
So मतलब there's another Smita Patil in the movie.
नहीं
Okay. But this is the common. ऐसे
Yeah, it's a
that the
common-
father
common
looks exactly
trope,
like the
yeah.
son or vice versa.
anyway
But interesting choice. I
हाँ
won't
interesting
say, yeah.
choice
Yeah,
like,
not bad.
to say the least.
And the most.
Wait, who's taller between Rani and Amrita Singh? I think
My
Amrita
height
Singh.
है तो नहीं नापी मैंने गूगल what the fuck
Everything
dude?
is.
Height.
Like, यार मैं जोर बोल रहा
Height कैसे आ जाता है
Cool, let's go to Kajol and Mamta Kulkarni.
okay then
My Kajol and Mamta Kulkarni are
ममका
Kajol and
Mamta
Mamta
Kulkarni.
No, they're not.
Mangta hai
Also, you guys remember what happened with that Mamta Kulkarni thing?
कुंभ thing no
First,
I
dude,
remember- I
that
just
is
know
the more
she-
modern.
She became a sadhvi is what I remember.
That though happened just more recently. If I
अभी
remember.
ला हाँ,
अच्छा।
एक
Dude, you
दो
guys know
महीना
she
पहले
married like some mafioso and all, dude.
No, I didn't know.
कोई idea
Yeah,
नहीं
she married some guy.
By the way, Ghatak is releasing again on theaters.
you mentioned this in the previous episode also
Good, good for Ghatak. But yeah, she was like part of the. She married some mafioso guy.
Listen, she helped me.
Some drug smuggler.
She helped me to become
gangster.
a man from a boy. So she'll
अबे
always
यार
hold a
अब्बास
special place in my
आप
heart.
हिंज विंज डाल लो आराम से आप वो रेखा की बात
From
करता है,
Rekha
you're
to
like,
Mamta
it's like
Kulkarni.
too hot ठीक है
It's
अब वो
true.
तब्बू की बात करता है लाइक ओके टू हॉट ठीक है ममता कुलकर्णी की बात कर रहा है शी हेल्प मी बिकम मैन फ्रॉम अ बॉय
Yeah, just last week, by the way.
So you're saying she was a Bollywood actress, like the sexy siren of her time.
Yeah.
Then she married a mafioso. Then she became
Yeah,
a
because she
sadhvi.
divorced the guy and she got separated from the guy.
Fuck, what a
And
life,
शादी तो
bro.
अभी बनी है
And she had like
What a
a-
life, bro.
She had like
दो
a
महीने
big
पहले।
fall from grace, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But she lost the connection because of the gangster dude.
Oh.
Because he made her. This is what he say. She made her stop doing films and all.
ओके
Or she gave up on films. Or she
Conservative
stopped
था.
roles. Whatever.
हाँ,
Mafioso.
बताओ,
Picture
कैसे?
में काम नहीं करेगी.
वेरी अनलाइक ऑफ
Oh,
But
people
they should do, this movie, Pamela Anderson movie, The Last Showgirl, which came out last year.
Okay.
Essentially, it's so Pamela Anderson has been completely deglammed. Okay, like she was known as the hot siren of her time.
Sure.
In this movie, she's like
Who?
Pamela Anderson.
Pamela Anderson, okay.
Who she's completely like without makeup and everything, and she's the last showgirl of a Las Vegas clubs that's gonna shut down. So she's got a lot of award nominations and all. They should do something like that with Mamta Kulkarni, like reintroduce her, but use her acting abilities this time around.
Just because you found her extremely hot.
Yeah, I want to
Your
see her
younger
come
days.
back, bro.
Pamela
Yeah.
Anderson has been doing this. It's Pamela Anderson, no? The way
Who?
she's been doing no
Baywatch.
makeup looks in
Yeah.
in all the major award functions.
Yes,
etc., etc.
yes.
That's Pamela.
And
no?
that's because of her son. Speaking
Okay.
of mothers and relationships.
Yeah,
उसके-
very very
उसके-
healthy.
उसके बेटे
mother.
ने एक दिन बोला कि क्यों इतना लिपस्टिक पहन के घूमती हो, कितना दिखाना है मर्दों को, fuck all this and
What?
show your natural look. Yeah, her son is pretty like in his 30s.
I'm sure. मतलब,
Yeah.
but
So he said enough about of trying to impress people with makeup and
अबे
this
वहाँ पे
whole.
थप्पड़ वप्पड़ मारने के वो नहीं है क्या कि माँ को ऐसे बोलो
क्यों
तो
उसने
रख के-
empower
But
किया ना
yeah,
अपनी माँ
it's a
को.
good
She
thing to
went
say,
makeupless.
अच्छा
and-
उस तरीके से
Yeah. तेरे को
Oh.
क्या लगा?
नहीं मतलब मुझे लगा कि
You wiped off.
कंजर्वेटिव कि मतलब अब क्या ये
Nice.
That's what it
Anyway, so where were we? Mamta Kulkarni
Yes.
is who?
Is my Mamta Kulkarni. I forgot already.
Did we even mention it? I don't
No, I
think
didn't.
so.
My Mamta Kulkarni. Yeah, I'm not happy with either of these.
It's okay.
yeah
just-
we
But,
better than
none
Rani
of the
Mukherjee.
options have been happy options till now.
Tripti Dimri or Sharvari.
Oh bro, even I have Tripti Dimri.
Yeah, but-
Mamta I have Tripti Dimri.
But again, now, dude, Tripti has gotten so mainstream that it feels a
No,
little
she
lazy.
hasn't.
Too
dude.
mainstream,
no,
bro.
No, she hasn't. See, I'll tell you. So I went for the trope that
But
I
also, the thing is, right, again, we are the problem also. You know what I mean? Like, wait.
That we don't go to see her.
Then- sorry, go ahead.
We don't go to see her like
Enough.
indie movies.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And we are giving her the same roles we have the problems with that she's doing. You know, Mamta Kulkarni's role in this movie is just, she has one item song.
No, bro.
she
She
has-
has one item song in Ghatak. In this, she has a role.
यार,
She has an arc.
घातक
She
के
goes
जो-
from a
That's true. Oh, yeah, I
tomboy
forgot
to
that.
like
तो
a
इसके अंदर
village
so
girl.
what I have gone
Sure,
for
that's true.
my Mamta Kulkarni and Kajol are Tripti Dimri and Pratibha
मैंने दूसरा
Ranta.
बोला नहीं, काजल बोला नहीं.
Who's Kajol? इसने दे दिया.
Pratibha
क्या
Ranta.
कोर्स वो
sorry,
आंसर
sorry.
Pratibha
पहले-
who?
Pratibha Ranta.
What's she been in?
लापता ladies.
Oh, अच्छा.
So I basically recreated.
गाँव क्या लेके उसने
अरे
इसमें
तो
डाला?
गांव की ही तो पिक्चर है चीचा.
अबे बाद में शहर में जाते हैं वो लोग.
अरे शिश. तो प्रतिभा तो I basically went for Avinash
Ranta.
Tiwari and Tripti Dimri and Sparsh and Pratibha Ranta, like couple जो उन्होंने अपने famous films में couple play किया है, like recreate those couples in this film.
माँ ममता कुलकर्णी is
अरे
one.
उन्होंने अपनी काजोल नहीं
तो फिर
बताया.
ममता किसने बोला?
Mamta is Tripti
Okay, got it.
and Kajol is
Oh, so you
Pratibha.
got Laila Majnu
Yeah,
and
Laila
Lapata
Majnu
Lady.
and Lapata
Lapata
Lady.
ladies.
That's not bad. That will, that could be
I
the
got a
side.
best ममता कुलकर्णी.
Bro, मेरा खत्म नहीं हुआ.
He just wants to
नहीं
get
तूने अपने बताया
Mamta
ना.
Kulkarni out of his
हाँ तो रुक ना
system.
फिर अब हम दोनों अपने काजोल साथ में बताएंगे. वामिका गाबी is ममता कुलकर्णी.
Bro, पता है, I love Vamika Gabi so much that I will throw no rebuttal at you.
Thank you very
You
much.
win this round. It's
Thank
fine.
you. Yes.
Even though in my heart I know I have the best casting, but
But I think she also has that thing that she can play the village, the tomboy as well as the Rana ji maaf karna.
you are right. You are right.
Yeah,
Vamika Gabi
yeah.
is a good
Thank you.
option.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Amika Gabi is awesome.
Wow, you all agreeing? What the fuck are you waving at?
It's just Vamika, bro. It's not your casting.
My Kajol is Amika Gabi now. In a double role, Mamta Kulkarni and Kajol are played by Amika Gabi. Dude, I had to put Sania Malhotra somewhere.
I knew it. I so
Kajol is like this dusky.
Bro,
तूने भी सानिया
I
डाला?
wrote Sanya and then I cut it. I was like, I knew he'll say it.
Adoy. But I also, I just realized. So Sania Malhotra as Kajol, okay, what I thought.
Yeah.
But also another good option would be that instead of Mamta Kulkarni being Tripti Dimri, we could put Tripti Dimri here.
No.
Then who's your Mamta?
Sharvari, but not a great
oh,
also.
acha,
Yeah,
that
but
way.
again, decent. Like, along the lines
Yeah.
of Vamika Gabi is Sharvari.
Okay, cool.
Is she? Okay.
My Kajol is Janvi Kapoor.
Okay, that's it, guys. At the end of the episode. It's been too long.
Abbas has officially lost it on the episode.
Why?
Dude, why the fuck?
What?
Kajol and Janvi, dude.
Yeah, dude. At least they are the same, similar as far as skin tone goes.
Skin
They are like
tone.
Sanya
You know,
Malhotra
skin tone
and
is the
Kajol.
easiest thing to recast. Skin tone.
Or Janvi Kapoor and Kajol are not the same skin tone.
Similar.
She's
Sanya
just a little
Malhotra is
darker than her
fucking
sister
so
Khushi Kapoor,
fair,
that's it.
bro. Sanya Malhotra is so fair. Kajol was like a dusky beauty.
Bro, just shut up at this point, dude.
So my pair is
No, you're right in what you're saying.
my.
But
नहीं मतलब obviously the comparison is fine,
But
but then
that
that's
is-
not
that's
should be
not-
a metric. Yeah.
that's
No, I
absolutely
also
not a
think in
you
Jati.
think when Kajol was being cast for Karan Arjun, they were like, we want a dusky beauty.
Yeah, because Shah Rukh Khan was also dusky, so they needed
No,
someone. Yes.
dude. Shah Rukh has not
I
acted Juhi
totally-
Chawla what?
I
मेरे
can-
mind में जुही आई
Yeah,
थी एकदम.
Juhi.
I can totally imagine Janvi Kapoor in जाती हूँ मैं जल्दी है क्या जलती हूँ मैं जल्दी है क्या
I can imagine
Okay,
Sanam
yeah.
Morta because she's
Okay,
an awesome,
I'm not saying
awesome
you're wrong
dancer.
in imagining that.
और आपका शाहरुख कौन है?
Ayushmann Khurrana.
जानवी एंड आयुष्मान खुराना.
Janvi and Ayushmann, Vedang and Vamika.
Again,
is
both
my
are the
list.
both
couples
are
off.
wrong.
The
Both
couple
Why?
are
Why are they
भाई
wrong?
वामिका कभी वेदांग रैना की
आंटी लग रही है.
छोटी चाची लग रही है. ठीक है.
वो ageism नहीं करता हूँ मैं, ठीक है?
अरे एजिज्म.
हाँ, और नहीं तो क्या?
बात आ रहा है भाई अब्बास भाई. हद हो गई.
I think it's a great pair.
अगली पिक्चर
No, no,
नोलन
you're
की
absolutely
रिकास्ट
wrong.
करेंगे शायद बढ़िया बताओ.
I give
आप.
your casting 1.5 out of 5.
क्या माइक ड्रॉप क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या कर रहा है भाई? With what? Okay.
With keeping his throat thirsty.
Okay. अब भाई माइक पकड़ ले पहले भाई. बात करने का.
माइक में फिर आवाज आएगी ना बोल.
अच्छा ओके चल ठीक है मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो
हाँ.
पानी.
बट
Okay.
आपकी आवाज उसमें तो नहीं आएगी.
नहीं नो भाई. Okay, let's do the two nephews.
वही बचे हैं और तो सब खत्म. ओ नहीं
Asif Sheikh.
ब्रो, ठाकुर कौन है आप लोगों का?
Oh, of course, Thakur. यार. How the fuck did you forget Thakur? Oh,
Because
because
collective said
I actually-
ठाकुर तो क्यों?
what happened with me was Thakur was the first person I recasted.
Okay.
Okay, so by the time we got down, we went down, I didn't realize. Okay, what should I do first?
Yeah.
Go.
I have one very good option and two mediocre options.
अरे
तू अकेले ही कर लिया कर recast episode हमारी क्या जरूरत
No, but
है?
because like, what if the main actor is not available? Yeah.
yeah,
Sure,
for sure. We
yeah,
should
yeah.
have
Second,
that.
second, and
Yeah.
third option. Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Prakash Raj as one.
Okay.
Okay, but especially because of the glaring eyes.
I also
Prakash
thought of
Raj.
Prakash Raj. Yes.
Yeah, he does the glaring eyes look very well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's not. Unfortunately, he's a more. When he tries to be intimidating to me, it becomes more
थोड़ा
comedic.
comedic हो
Yeah,
जाता है,
you get what I
हाँ,
mean,
yeah.
right? It's the Singham trope, Dobam trope.
Yeah. Singham trope, yes.
Yeah, that. So, but still, because the glaring look, and he does that glaring look well enough, I think Prakash Raj. Another option, KK Menon,
I also
to
thought
some
of KK
extent.
Menon,
Okay.
yes.
To some extent.
Gulal wala KK Menon.
Yeah. One of those, really outright villainous personalities, wala, KK Menon. But I think the most banger option here is apna Jaggu Dada, bro. Jackie Shroff.
Oh, bro, I have a
As
contemporary of.
Thakur.
I have a
Dude.
contemporary of Jaggu.
Anil
Anil
Kapoor.
No.
Okay,
So
wait,
in
wait.
your go ahead.
So fucking Mission Kashmir, menacing
yeah.
as fuck. Jaggu,
No,
has
Jaggu
done
can be
menacing.
menacing.
Yeah,
But as
he
that
can play,
Village Thakur.
dude. But yeah, he's done village roles. He just has always done the straight voice.
Yeah,
he's not done
yeah.
an accent. And but Amrish Puri doesn't do an accent. That's not what Amrish Puri's style of acting was.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what. I think Amrish is. I think Jaggu would do a fantastic job.
So in your version, Jaggu is going head to head with Rani Mukherjee as rivals.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
No,
not
no,
bad.
man, no.
Okay, my Thakur Durjan Singh is Jaideep Alawat.
हाँ क्या बोला था मैंने क्या बोला था मैंने
I initially had cast Manoj Bajpayee,
but
which is also an interesting choice. But
also
I just
done
think-
now I think we
Done?
use Manoj Bajpayee a lot I feel like
Really?
हो सकता है I think in previous episodes we all have run through Manoj Bajpayee in some
But
of the other
then,
roles.
yeah, for whatever reason, I thought Jaideep Alawat will work better as a villain.
As an more intimidating
Intimidating,
like
yeah.
as height wise
जैसे उसमें इसकी यार
Action hero.
नहीं आमिर का बेटा जुनैद खान की जो फिल्म थी ना महाराज नॉट महाराजा Maharaj maybe he played that
Yeah,
God
yeah,
man, which is
yeah,
very
yeah.
intimidating.
By the way, that Maharaja guy has already commented on
Oh,
this.
he has.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
The latest episode that's
Yeah.
going on today. Yeah.
अब episode जाने से पहले ही comment
Why
कर
the
रहे
hell he commented?
Nice.
But my Thakur Durjan Singh is Sunil Shetty.
Oh.
Bro, he would be
You just said it
amazing.
like Sunil Shetty himself.
Bro,
Yeah.
Sunil Shetty would be great in his current look. He looks Thakur as fuck, bro. Like Thakur as
But
in
He
all
looks
your
bad.
other casting is very gao. Suddenly
Okay,
Sunil Shetty.
bro, Thakur was always the rich with the combed hair, with like proper mooch, and
Sure, yeah, I get it. Fair.
he was always the prim and proper person.
Are you basing this off of Nadania?
Oh, भाई बिल्कुल भी reference में नहीं था वो. But like the look and
No, because
the
of-
aura.
Of Sunil Shetty's sports business, he's thinking, I think he'll be a good actor in this
But
movie.
very good. I think aura plus 999.
What's 999?
कुछ नहीं. जैसे सुपर से 999 बोलते हैं ना.
Oh,
वैसा
I
strong.
don't watch anime. So yeah.
तो वैसा आई थिंक सुनील शेट्टी वुड बी अ ग्रेट ठाकुर. इसने अभी रिसेंटली कुछ एक दो सीरीज में थोड़ा सा सरपंच टाइप रोल भी किया है.
अच्छा.
एंड आई थिंक बहुत बहुत बढ़िया बैठेगा विद द बाली यहाँ से गला बंद. बहुत सही लगेगा भाई सुनील शेट्टी.
Seems a little off, not exactly. What do you
No,
think? of Sunil
I
Shetty?
see what
Yeah?
he's talking about. I mean, I think Sunil Shetty is a little more zaddy than Thakur. But
हाँ मतलब बट आज के टाइम पे
Yeah,
ऑलमोस्ट
I-
एवरीबडी इज मोर ज़ैडी. लाइक बट अगेन अमरीश पुरी एट दैट टाइम ही वाज नॉट द पेट निकला हुआ सरपंच
he
टाइप.
was never that guy, dude.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ
हाँ.
he was not
I
that
know.
guy.
Yeah.
He was
yeah.
always he was also like एकदम fit गला बंद and prim and
True,
proper. So
yeah.
that's why I
Yeah,
equated
can
that
see-
with
I
Sunil
can see
Shetty.
Sunil Shetty.
Yeah, fair. He has done
Who was your
some
Who was
good
your
roles.
choice?
Jackie.
Yeah, I
Jackie.
prefer Sunil Shetty over
Fuck off.
over Jackie. But the best is of course Jaideep
Jaideep,
Arawat. So
yeah.
Not
yeah.
at all,
yeah.
not at all, dude. Fucking
Okay.
None of us again because those roles have only gone like that villain.
Yeah.
All of our guys
हाँ,
are
वो-
actually
Heroes.
heroes.
यार कोई एक्चुअली अब मतलब तो अब फिल्म फेयर ने फिल्म
we should
know the-
विलन भी तो
video.
हटा दिया
We
ना.
should actually know the name of the actor who played, who's been playing those Pakistani generals in
In
Pathan, in
Gadar.
Gadar,
Yeah.
too. Who's that guy, dude? The bald dude.
Yeah,
Abbas,
and
you
I
must
know. No, all bald dudes
Yeah,
don't
dude,
know
of
each
course.
other. Let me find out.
वो
Yeah, we have
Adidas के
bald
store
people
पे जाके
meeting.
ये जूता नहीं मिल रहा है. वो
Yeah.
कह रहा है मैं सारे एडास के स्टोर पे ढूंढ के बताता हूँ. ऐसे ही
Yeah. Yeah,
Did-
you can ask in your weekly bald people meeting.
Sure, I will. Yeah, I'll find her his
Yes, yes,
membership
correct.
number.
Yeah, correct.
Did any of you think of Pankaj Tripathi?
No.
No.
not
Pankaj Tripathi, it had crossed my mind. Yeah.
it didn't cross my mind at all because पंकज त्रिपाठी I would now I think अगर वो पंकज त्रिपाठी एक और नेगेटिव गांव का ठाकुर सरपंच रोल प्ले करेगा तो बहुत वासेपुर लगेगा.
अच्छा वासेपुर
वो बहुत वासेपुर वासेपुर नहीं
वासेपुर
सॉरी
नहीं,
मिर्जापुर बहुत मिर्जापुर लगेगा. एंड मिर्जापुर सीजन 3 के बाद पंकज त्रिपाठी का कुछ मेजर आया भी नहीं है. तो आई वुड वांट कि पंकज त्रिपाठी को हम वापस जैसे वो क्यूट अंकल टाइप रोल में देखते थे कुछ टाइम तक. आई वुड वांट कि एक दो फिल्में वो वैसे कर ले देन ही कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट. पंकज त्रिपाठी का अगर एक नेगेटिव टोन वाला कैरेक्टर देखना है तो गुड़गांव देख सकते हो.
Oh, हाँ.
गुड़गांव इज अ ग्रेट
Yeah.
fucking film. I think Pankaj Tripathi also puts Gurgaon as one of his top performances. There is very less for him to speak in the film. बहुत कम dialogues हैं, but the expressions, the mannerisms, the way he expresses through his eyes, bro, crazy,
Okay, wow.
crazy.
मैंने बहुत साल पहले देखी थी.
Do
Should
watch
it.
Gurgaon if you haven't watched it. किसी ना किसी streaming पे है for sure.
Cool.
आप भी देखना, बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म है. थोड़ी slow है, but what a film.
Okay, chalo, quickly
So
then.
now we have
Let's
the
do our-
side
The
characters.
nephews.
Just-
That's it. Just the nephews.
then. We're not doing Asif Sheikh.
No, we're doing
Johnny.
Asif
Oh,
Sheikh
acha,
also,
Asif
right?
Sheikh bhi hai, sorry. Just the nephews
Suraj Singh.
and what a joke.
What a joke.
What a joke.
I am not proud of my nephew choices at all.
You
so
shouldn't be
one
proud of other choices.
Hey, Wamika Gabbi,
That-
excuse me.
That is the only
Thank you.
choice that all three of
Yes.
us agree on.
And Jaideep Arawat and Ayushmann. So, who
go?
wants to go? Yeah, go.
Bolo,
Okay,
bolo.
go. पहले आप में नवाब साहब की गाड़ी
गाड़ी
छूट
छूट
गई.
गई थी. So my Arjun Feroz Khan, like previously known as
not
Feroz
Fardeen's
Khan.
father.
हाँ फिरोज
Uh-huh.
खान जिसने महाभारत
अर्जुन.
में अर्जुन प्ले किया था. उसका असली नाम फिरोज खान है. फिर अर्जुन के कैरेक्टर के बाद उसने ऑफिशियल अपना नाम अर्जुन कर दिया था. इज विनीत सिंह.
From Chhawa.
Yes. मुक्काबाज.
Oh, Vineet Singh.
Yes,
On,
that's-
Superboys of
Superboys of
Malegaon.
Malegaon.
Yes.
राइटर बाप होता है.
भाई वो रोल छोटा नहीं है उसके लिए.
नहीं भाई. Nephews are full blown villain in the entire
But they
fucking
just
film.
all they do is just shooting people and molesting women. That's all they do.
भाई तो मतलब
Yeah,
एक्टर है वो नेगेटिव टोन.
अंतरिक्ष
Don't
Just-
speak for Vineet.
Bro,
Maybe he loves his role.
he can play a negative tone, no?
He can, but he's too good for that role.
What, you want a bad actor then to cast?
I want not such
See,
a talented actor
the thing
in
is,
that
no,
role, bro.
the thing is, it's difficult to cast these small roles because you have to choose from actors that you know, na. Otherwise, a lot of supporting actors
नहीं,
you
but
don't
I
know names.
think so विनीत ने supporting
करा
actor
है,
play किया है.
But he's often so good that he makes a mark even in those
भाई
roles.
he तभी तो like he has to be this good इतना कि उसको देख के गुस्सा है ना कि भाई ये ऐसा क्या कर रहा है. And Vineet will be able to pull this off. He would be great at this.
Okay, I just think he's much
Like
better.
obviously he is too good. ऐसे तो शाहरुख के सारे रोल विनीत को दे दो. He is too good. But then
इतना भी
again
नहीं.
acting
Sure,
wise
okay.
में तो चलो मतलब
Cool.
And-
Who's
yeah,
हाँ,
who's
actually,
your
yeah,
अच्छा
tell us
दोनों
both,
नेफ्यू
हाँ.
बोलता हूँ. अच्छा तो दूसरे नेफ्यू और आसिफ शेख में मेरा वो है स्वॉप भी कर सकते हैं.
Hmm.
ठीक है तो मैं दोनों बोल देता हूँ आसिफ शेख और नेफ्यू. दूसरा नेफ्यू. सो आप लोग को ताहा शाह पता है कौन है?
मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं पता.
हीरा मंडी देखा है?
Yeah, okay, I know
think
that.
पहले-
हीरा मंडी में द गाय
Sure.
is Taha Shah. So I was thinking that person can be
The second nephew,
no
Asif Khan.
Asif Khan.
हाँ.
Sheikh.
Sheikh. Sorry, Asif Sheikh. Yes, because he उसमें भी he plays like the हीरा मंडी में he plays the वो पूरे जेल से चिपटे बाल
हाँ,
और ऐसा
हाँ.
बालियाँ,
देख के मतलब इससे चिढ़ आ जाए,
मूंछें
हाँ.
और नहीं चिढ़ नहीं मतलब
Oh.
but he plays the he looks the part.
Okay.
एंड ही इज अ गुड एक्टर.
Hmm.
तो आई वाज लाइक कि वो भी एक नेगेटिव टोन ट्राई कर सकता है, एक अच्छा जा सकता है. एंड द दूसरा नेफ्यू वाज
You guys have put so much thought in this.
गुलशन देवैया.
What the fuck? Again, too good an
Too
actor.
good.
for
This
this
is
I
role,
know,
man.
but I was so I
So
had
basically, your nephews are Gulshan Devaya and this guy.
Vineet, bro.
Vineet,
crazy.
Dude, I
that
think
pair
you're-
should
you're-
have a
so,
series of their own.
हाँ उस पे फिर स्पिन ऑफ बना दो.
Bro,
कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
I think you're thinking about it a little wrong. I'll tell you, okay? This role has to be done by an actor who's not on the up. It has to be done by an actor who's on the down. Arjun Kapoor
I
is a
agree.
great choice.
I agree. Yes.
For the God,
Nephew.
Jack God. For Jack God's guy.
Right.
I think
Also, what am I
spot
to
on.
diss Arjun Kapoor, man?
Spot on, dude.
What
Spot
if he's
on.
watching Antariksh?
Sorry, buddy.
But oh यार.
No, see,
Why would Arjun
I
Kapoor?
agree.
एक second.
Why would Vineet do this role,
Bro,
bro?
Yeah.
Vineet, एक second.
Not on the up, on the down.
Bro,
I think that's what it is.
Chances of Vineet doing this role are much higher than Arjun doing this role, dude. Arjun is a proper leading. एक second. चाहे सारी फिल्में फ्लॉप जा रही हो, चाहे सारी फिल्में हिट जा रही हो, अर्जुन कपूर इज अ लीडिंग एक्टर. कम वॉट में. चाहे आप उसको पसंद अब यार अब आप नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते ना कि इब्राहिम अली खान
सिंघम में.
हाँ
सिंघम में था ना रिटर्न में.
बट ही वाज द मेन विलन. इसमें मेन विलन ठाकुर है, इसमें मेन विलन ये लोग नहीं है.
We give a bigger role, yaar.
who's your second nephew?
Second nephew, I don't have a great choice. So I have like a joke answer. Okay, Sajid Khan as a villain, but it becomes comedic. But I don't want him to do
No,
comedy.
I can
just
see
want him
that.
to be hated more. You know.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but
Arjun
Sajid-
Kapoor and Sajid Khan. Okay.
Yeah. So
Man.
Arjun, बहुत दिनों
And
से
who was your Thakur?
Thakur was
जैकी श्रॉफ.
Jackie Shroff.
Oh,
Yeah, correct.
actually, that's a
Jackie,
good-
Arjun. Oh, Singham returns, dude.
Oh yes.
मेरा danger अंका.
That's a good trio.
And who's your what a joke.
My what a joke, यार. I don't have a great one.
आप हर कास्टिंग के पहले कैसे बोल सकते हो ये लाइन?
हाँ,
I don't have a great one.
यार, some were excellent. dude. Rani Mukherjee was.
Who is it?
Mine is so again I really just saw Dupaiya and was reminded as to how good Bhuvan Arora was in Farzi and I've seen him in
Oh.
Amran.
Oh, Bhuvan.
Bhuvan Arora was one of my choices, initial choices for one of the nephews.
Oh, was he really?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I haven't gone with him.
So I think Bhuvan Arora would be good in this. I think he has like a laid back
Bhuvan
chill
is
personality.
more Bhuvan is very desi, you know. Isn't he like
I-
super
I-
desi? And
I
the
get what
water
you're
joke
saying.
guy is obviously like from like is an NRI of sorts.
multinational types.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying, but अगर हम बाकियों को गाउटी बना सकते हैं, तो हम reverse कर
गाउटी
सकते
को
हैं.
गाउटी को पॉश क्यों नहीं बना सकते?
Thank you. I don't know.
Gaudi को इटाउग क्यों नहीं बना? Sorry. Fuck it.
An actor is an actor, and an actor prepares.
Yeah, dude.
That's what you have to do.
कितना पैसा वेस्ट किया
Fine,
आपने
bro.
actor पे?
50 लाख रुपए. नहीं था.
What the fuck?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna wrap it up with my choices. I'll just tell you my choices and we'll be like, thank you, good night. I was very lazy in my casting of the nephews.
Clearly. I mean,
You
with
guys have
every-
legit put thought into it, and I'm like, I was like, okay, there are two of them, and what are the like? What
Raghu
are-
Rajiv तो
Yes.
नहीं- Oh my fucking god, dude.
I like them.
भैंस की आँख, dude.
Man, again, no, I must say, interesting.
But
I know.
But again, the outright गलत नहीं है अंतरिक्ष के choices की तरह.
Ah, yes.
No, mine were great. Arjun Kapoor is excellent, and Abbas agrees.
And my
And the audience will also. You tell us. But
I'm a-
Raghu Rajiv was-
Asif Sheikh, again, I had to think of like an anglicized sort of posh kid. I went with Ibrahim Ali Khan.
What the fuck, dude?
Ibrahim Ali Khan. भाई तूने बिल्कुल भी
As-
नदाना नहीं देखी bro.
भाई
You have no idea,
आपने
dude.
एक ही फिल्म में
You have no
इब्राहिम
idea.
अली खान जानवी कपूर डाल लिए
भाई,
अब साथ में खुशी कपूर भी डाल दो
But I don't understand. Huh? You guys do this.
What?
One film old actor whose film is panned, whose acting is panned, and you guys start casting them, dude.
Bro, Suhana
Suhana
Khan
Ali
was
Khan, Ibrahim Ali
Suhana
Khan.
Khan played the part
I
of
gave
a
her
bad actor.
of that
A spoiled
hoity-toity a spoiled person, dude, who has not seen a single day of struggle.
Yeah, but
she
she
played
did
it
do
right.
well. Not
Hey,
really.
this is a debate for another day. Guys.
Acha,
Come
okay.
on,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too late, guys.
So, yeah.
12:30 बज गए हैं.
But as you can see, my casting was the best. So thank
from
you.
the
I
bottom.
won this episode as always. Like every other casting episode, I won this.
But
When I say Dimple Kapadia and Shah Rukh should be romancing, I'm right.
Dimple was one of my choices for the mother role, but I was like, she's
Dude,
too,
Dimple
she's
would have been
too
actually.
she's too hot?
Pretty good.
posh actually. not
Acha.
hot.
Oh, Rekha's too hot.
Rekha is too hot.
And Dimple is too
Dimple's
posh.
too posh. But Vamika is perfect.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जैसी बातें कर रहे हैं ना पॉश लग जाना चाहिए.
Yes, nice. Very nicely done.
Anyway, you guys want to go to quick recap of who was who in your
Okay,
films?
fuck, मैं रिकैप भूल ही गया था. ठीक है, फटाफट से करते हैं. My Shahrukh was Sparsh Srivastav. My Salman was Avinash Tiwari. Thakur Amrish Puri was Sunil Shetty. Rakhi was Amrita Singh. Mamta was Mamta Banerjee.
क्या तेरी दोस्त है क्या ममता?
Mamta holy shit. Mamta Kulkarni was
Kolkata,
the
right.
Kajol was Pratibha Ranta. Arjun was Vineet Singh, the nephews. Jack God was Gulshan Devaya, and Asif Sheikh was Taha Shah.
Nice.
Taha.
Very quickly, my choices were my Salman was Vedang Raina, my Shahrukh was Ayushmann Khurrana, my Ma was Amrita Singh, my Thakur Durjan Singh was Jaideep Ahlawat, my Mamta Kulkarni was Vamika Gabbi, my Kajol was Janvi Kapoor, my nephews were Raghu and Rajiv, and Asif Sheikh was Ibrahim Ali Khan.
All right, coming to me, my Salman was Varun
Tell
Dhawan.
your final choice.
Yeah, the final choice. Yeah. I can read down all my five. So my Salman was Varun Dhawan. My Shah Rukh Khan was Ali Fazal. My Amrish Puri. Then my
Yeah.
Amrish Puri was Jackie Shroff. My Rakhi character, the mother's character was Rani Mukherjee. Rakhi was Rani. And then coming to Kajol and Mamta Kulkarni, they were played by Sania Malhotra and Tripti Dimri respectively. Asif Sheikh is Bhuvan Arora. Johnny Lever we haven't done, but we have it now. And the two nephews are Arjun Kapoor and Sajid Khan.
Ew.
That's what.
Nice.
Thank you.
Good,
the best,
nice,
the best
nice
is mine,
round.
yes, of course.
Yeah. Thank you for sticking around till the end. Follow us on our social media handles. Please subscribe to Filmy Colada.
Absolutely. Yes.
And like this video, share it with anybody who's a fan of Karan Arjun or any of these stars.
Oh, that just. Oh, yeah.
The camera is also going off, guys. So any last things you want to plug or you want to say before
Please
we wrap up?
subscribe. Please subscribe to the
Please
channel.
subscribe, follow us everywhere,
Yeah.
follow everything I'm doing. Okay, follow them also. Yes,
Yes.
doing fun stuff.
That's fine,
And,
guys. That's pretty much it. We'll see you next week with the
bye-bye.
Sikandar episode. Bye bye.